Hey guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with this look. I'm taking the Morphe M6 brush. This is a pro flat buffing brush. I will be using the L'Oreal True Match, and I am in the color N6.5.
And so I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to adding my concealer. This is by Rimmel, and this is the Match Perfection in a number 430 medium. I am in the color 430 medium, and this stuff is my favorite because it's spot on the correct undertone colors that I need for underneath my eyes or anywhere else that I need to liven up. As you can see, it's like squeezed to death. So we're gonna try to get the rest of this out of here and get to working. So again, X marks the spot. You just want to do like a minimal X underneath your eye area and blend that out. If you need to make your X bigger, please make your X bigger. If you need to add a little more, go ahead and add a little more. But otherwise, work it out. Whatever I have left on my brush, I just go ahead and add that wherever else I would have highlighted at, which are actually the spots that I'm placing it now, which is on my forehead, as well down my nose, as well as underneath my eyes and my chin area. So let's go ahead and blend.
Blenderella. And if the product dries up, you just grab more water from your beauty blender, squeeze, and blend out.
I'm going to take this Morphe Powder, looks like this color here, and I'm just going to grab some of that. So basically what I do when I have this is I tap some out into the top, and I just use about this much for my face. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the brush and apply the dip in.
Apply everywhere that I place the concealer. More than enough that I needed for where I needed to apply the powder.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and contour. So for my contour, I will be using the Pro LA Girl Concealer, and this one is in the color Beautiful Bronze. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this everywhere that I would like for a shadow to be. Just basically contour the cheeks. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and squeeze out some and start drawing on my contour. So if you can see that, I just basically did a line and I stopped. If you can see, I stopped. You can't even see it with my face being straight on. You can't even see my line. So basically you need to stop here. Exactly where I stopped. Oops, see, I went a little too far. So you really need to stop there. Okay guys, so now that the contour color is kind of blended out there, setting my contour with a powder foundation, and this is by Milani, and this is the number 7 in Creamy Cocoa. And Creamy Cocoa looks like this. So I'm gonna grab a Real Technique I'm gonna grab a Real Technique brush and grab, dab in there, and go ahead and go over the creamy contour area. So I like to start with my cheekbones, of course. Of course, you just follow that line that you created earlier. And again, try not to go past the eye area. Try to stay behind this line. Stay behind the line. Matter of fact, stay in the lines.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
And you really don't need that much. You really don't need that much powder. So use to your discretion. As you can see, honey, I'm looking pretty bronzed. I'm going to use this brightening setting spray and apply it all over. Okay, so now that I have applied my setting spray on top of my foundation and powders, I am going to go ahead and apply my highlight. I am using a highlight by Milani, and this is in the color Strobe Light number 3. This is a precision foundation brush, but I'm going to be using it for a highlighter brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that highlight and apply it to my cheekbones. And then I'm also going to create that C shape around my eye area, just to brighten up that corner turn. Ooh, 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 do you see? I tell you, honey. And yeah, don't worry, I know blush is coming next.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Then I'm gonna add some down the center of my nose, actually just on the tip of my nose, and up here on my forehead area, as well as my chin, as well as my chin area. Just a little bit of my chin area and my cupid's bow. Okay guys, so now it's blush time, my fave. So I am taking this Anastasia palette, this Anastasia blush palette, and this is called Peachy Love, and it looks like this. This is really my favorite. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and swatch in all 3 of these, and tap, tap, tap. So I'm taking another setting spray. This one is Cover FX. Basically, I'm just grabbing any type of setting sprays and spraying my face, setting as I go, doing a little double extra setting. I don't know, for some reason I just feel like it really works. And it keeps on making. Ew. That don't taste right. Okay guys, so for this look I chose to use the Urban Decay Naked palette, and this is the Ultimate Basics. This is the Ultimate Basics palettes. This is the Ultimate Basic palette by Urban Decay Naked. Looks like this. Looks like this, man. Oh, that's shaking? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm just gonna grow head. I'm gonna grow head. Anyways, I think for this palette and for this look, I'll be using for some reason I'm gearing towards this color here, which I think is just beautiful. But I kind of want to use this beautiful color here as well. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take extra bitter. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take extra bitter and put it in my crease. I'm just gonna grab this little fluffy brush and I'm going in with pregame. So far I'm going in with pregame, and I'm gonna put that right underneath my eyebrow area, just to brighten up that area.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Okay guys, so I'm going in with that soft crease brush, and I'm going in with extra bitter, which is right here. I'm going to place that all in my crease area.
No, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
And this will give you that blended look. It's not even a blended look, it's really blended. It's blended. I'm just going to go ahead and grab a eyeshadow brush. It's just a random eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go ahead and go into Instinct, which is this purpley pinkish tone purple, and apply that all over my lid. Like I said, if you had on primer, the color will pop a lot more. But what I'm going to do right now, in the meantime, to help this eyeshadow pop, for the sake of this video, I am going to grab a little bottle of water, apply the powder onto my brush, and spray from afar some water to make that stick on. As you can see, it's gotten a little bit better. A little bit better. Now just watch me put it on. Okay, good for play. Okay guys, so now I am taking the Morphe E24 and I'm going in with the color Lethal. Looks like this. And I'm just going to take this color, get that on this pencil brush, and put this right in the inner corner, in the outer inner corner area. It's like a dot, like very little, and then start flicking. Look at the flick of the wrist, okay? Look at the flick of the wrist. The wrist. And start flicking that inwards. I don't want it to go too far in at all. I just want to keep it concentrated on this area. And I'm just going to keep flicking it in. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend it all in so that it makes sense and that it's cohesive. And that it's a cohesive look. Basically, it just adds definition to the look. And yeah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Okay guys, so now that the lids are done, we can move on. You know what? I'm gonna call this a die, honey. This look is complete. This look is finished. So let me go ahead and add on my mascara off camera, and I'll be back. So now I'm grabbing the Jouer color pencil, and it's not a color pencil. This is a Jouer Slim Cream eyeliner. This is the Slim Cream eyeliner by Jouer, and this is in the color navy, matte navy. She's beautiful, beautiful. Let me show you. It's that one right there. It looks black, but it's not black. It's a matte navy. So let me go ahead and add that in my wire outline. You guys see how that changed you look? I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, now that I have on my eyeliner, my eyes are fully completely done. My face is fully completely done. The only thing I need to do is add on lipstick. So let's go to the lipstick jar and see what we have. So these are some of my lipsticks that I have. I'm not sure. Oh, I have another melted. Let's do melted. I love melted latex. Okay guys, so in my BoxyCharm box for the month of March, there was a lipstick in here, and I'm gonna find it, and don't worry, the next video is gonna be about this box here. It's nothing major. I'll just go over what I got. I know that everybody gets different variations, which kind of pisses me off because other people have things that I want and I have things I don't want. I found the lipstick that was in there. It was a Becca lipstick, and this one is in the color Sorbet. And this just might work for our look. This just might work for our look. I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. So the casing looks like this. It's like a hollow, very cushiony. This is the lipstick. So this is the Becca lipstick here, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my lips like so. Oh my gosh. I think when you rub it on, it smells amazing. I'm just adding this NYX, this NYX glitter. This one is in the color, oh, Crystal Pewter. Crystal Pewter. These things are amazing. I don't know why all the other companies that come out with the same situation. Like the applicator of this is amazing. Like it's so thin that you can just create this wing liner. Okay guys, so this is the this is the final look, and I think it turned out really great. Yeah, now for a full face, I don't really do full faces, but today I decided to do a full face for you guys, and this is the finished look. You guys, this Becca lipstick, oh my goodness, it's so moisturizing and it smells so good. Anyways, so I created this purplish, red, brown, earth tone, purplish look. If you can see, I added a little glitter on the liner area, and I kept it really simple. Guys, this look is so simple to create. I think all looks of eyeshadow is simple to create. It's not that hard. All you have to do is put the time into blending and matching your colors. With that said, it's going to take some experience and some time to get to know those colors and your tones. Anyways, so again, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Guys, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell button so that you will always be notified when the video is ready for me to upload for you.